she loves. Man, I want impress, and I want to carry my love away to a place she loves.